So here you can see that I'm on a Wikipedia page called HTML. And if you are a web developer, then when you surf around websites, you may want to look at its source code and inspect it out. So in order to use that feature, you can use something called the inspect tool or the developers tool. So if I were to right click, you can see that I have an option called inspect. The shortcut key for it is Ctrl+Shift+I, as you can see right here. So if I were to click on it, what happens is that I have the developer mode enabled. So I can view the details right here. If I were to go around and then point out a code, it'll highlight the area where the code is there. You can also test it out. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around into a certain section just like this, and if I were to expand this, you can see that as I go around, those are highlighted right here. So let's say, for example, you want to change around some code. You can also type it around. Of course, this is not something that will be changed in the actual website, but you can type it in right here to see how that actually functions. Let's say, for example, you want to go around into this part right here. You can right click and inspect this part itself, and you see that part. So instead of development, let's say, for example, I'm going to write in progress, just like this, and then I seem to have changed another part. So I'm just going to go around over here, type in progress, press enter, and that is how it looks. You can also inspect and work with different parts like console, like sources, network details right here. You can see all the details, the performance, and so forth. So all of the details are here, which a developer will require. So over here, you can also access the CSS codes and then modify them as well. So you can go around with bold to normal and so forth. Right here, you can change the font size. Let's say, for example, just like this, and it changes the font size overall as well. So you can temporarily see how the CSS affects the web page as well. Go to computed, see all the details of how the division element is for the particular area. You can work around with the layout, the event listeners, the DOM breakouts, properties, and accessibility. So you see all of these options right here, which you can use if you are getting started or if you're working as a web developer. And that is how you can use the inspect tool or the developer tools inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.